Want to sell your Shopify products on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or other sales channels? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store to marketplaces and manage your products from one place. First, log in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Sales Channels. Select Add Sales Channel. Here, Shopify will show you the sales channels and marketplace integrations available for your store. Choose the marketplace you want to connect. For example, you may see options for marketplaces or apps that can connect your products with platforms such as Amazon or eBay. Select the option you want and click Add or Install. You may need to log in to your marketplace account and authorize the connection with Shopify. Follow the instructions on screen to give the integration the permissions it needs. Once the connection is complete, go back to your Shopify admin. Depending on the marketplace and integration you're using, you can then choose which products you want to publish or synchronize. Before publishing anything, check your product titles, descriptions, prices, images, inventory, and variants. This is important because marketplace requirements can be different from Shopify's requirements. You should also check your inventory settings. If the integration supports inventory synchronization, Shopify can help keep your stock information updated between your store and the connected sales channel. Now, save your settings and publish or sync your selected products. Once everything is connected, monitor your orders and inventory carefully to make sure the marketplace and Shopify are communicating correctly. Keep in mind that Shopify's available sales channels and marketplace integrations can vary depending on your location, store configuration, and the marketplace you're connecting. And that's it. You can now use Shopify as a central place to manage products while selling through additional marketplaces and sales channels. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Shopify tutorials.